Hello guys, so welcome to our lab 2. In this lab 2, we're gonna introduce you to assembly language, basically the move and add instructions. So this lab is very similar, to the first lab, although the concentration here on the, that part here. So the first lab, the concentration was on the installing of Visual Studio itself as a tool and trying it with some simple code to be sure that it's working and there is no bugs. Here, the concentration on the assembly itself, the move and the add instructions. Okay, so here is, our lab manual. First, we're gonna create a new project. That's very simple. A new project, and we're gonna choose our template. So our template is called assembly. So here it is, assembly template. I'm gonna hit double click or click next, and we call it lab 2, for example. Okay, and click create. I already have it, of course, so I'm not gonna, because it's already I already have it. So go ahead and copy and paste that code here into the project. Okay, it is exactly the same code, although I added just some blank lines here to differentiate between the template and the code itself. The code is very simple. It's just a move and add instructions. So we're gonna move 23 hexadecimal to AX. Then we're gonna move 15 decimal, not hexadecimal, to EBX. Then we're gonna add what's in EBX to what's in AX and store the value in AX again. So that line here means it's like AX equal to EX, the old AX plus EBX. Then we're gonna move from the values of AX into ECX, and that's it. Very simple code as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and run it and run this one. So run to this cursor. So here is the old values of EAX, ECX, EBX, and that's only what we want. A, B, and C. So let's go ahead line by line, and this is a step over button, okay, to move line by line, and in each step you're gonna report the value of AX. Okay, so we're gonna go line by line. AX should it change to 23 after this hexadecimal, after this operation 23. So you're gonna take a screenshot of that window here with EX23 and put the screenshot in here. Then we're gonna go to the second line from the step over button, and ABX should change to 15, and 15 in X is F, so we should see F here. Let's see, it's F. Take a screenshot, put again in that section here in the report. Then we should add now F, or 15 to 23, and the result should go to AX. So we should see a change here in AX. So let's check this, and this is the result. Okay. Finally, we should move what is in AX, which is 32 hexadecimal, to ECX. So this value ECX should change. So we're gonna take it, execute it, and here is ECX. ECX is equal to AX now. Both have 32 hexadecimal. Take another screenshot and put the screenshot here. So you should have here 4 screenshots. Okay, guys, that's lab 2. It's very simple, just like lab 1. Okay, because again, we didn't take so much in assembly language, because the book itself, or the way the book explains assembly and computer architecture, it focuses first on computer architecture, then step by step it introduces you to the hexadecimal. So in week 5, we're gonna see in our lectures the first maybe complete hexadecimal program, just in chapter 4. So 4 chapters to see a complete hexadecimal, assembly code in our book. Okay, guys, that's it for this lab. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.